Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on gradient worksheet. So this video gives us a worksheet on finding the slope or gradient of a line when we are given 2 points that lie on that line. Now the line will be on the number plane and we're given 2 points that lie on that line. Now if you're not sure how to proceed, we've had a video on this very lesson. So all you do is go to the last slide, click on the link that's provided, and it will take you to the lesson and it'll explain how to do every one of these examples. In the meantime, I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide, which gives us the answers, but you can pause this slide for as long as you like. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. So this slide gives you the answers for the previous slide. Again, I'll leave it on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.